Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to wind your Citizen automatic or mechanical watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage Citizen watch. So if you have an automatic or mechanical watch and you want to wind it, the first thing that you want to do is to set the time before actually winding the watch. So what you can do is pull the crown to the last position. So I will pull the crown all the way, and for us it will be the second position because we have a date complication. So pull the crown all the way, and in this position you can actually set the time. Now you can rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. So always rotate them in a clockwise direction. After you have set the time, simply push the crown all the way back in, just like this. And now you have set the time and you need to wind the watch. In order to wind the watch, you need to rotate the watch crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction, just like this. Now if you do this, you will also be able to hear the watch wind. You can do that for around 20 to 30 times in order for your watch to be fully winded. If you have an automatic watch, as you wear it, the rotor inside will actually rotate and keep on winding your watch. If you only have a mechanical watch, you need to do this every time before you wear your watch because it needs that extra energy in order to run. So that was the video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.